Worldcoin WLD is once again in the spotlight as its market action heats up and the coin shows strong bullish momentum. As of now, WLD is trading in the range of $1.80 to $1.84, marking an impressive 40 to 45% surge within the last 24 hours, making it one of the top movers in the crypto market today. Trading volume has spiked close to $900 million, while its market capitalization has moved above $2.5 billion, signaling growing investor interest and strong momentum behind the project. So, what exactly is driving this rally and what does it mean for the future of WLD? The most immediate driver of the pump has been institutional-level buying and treasury accumulation. Just recently, Eightco Holdings announced a massive $250 million private placement, signaling that WLD is being positioned as a treasury asset much like how corporations once stacked Bitcoin. This news alone gave WLD a credibility boost, and the additional $20 million raised from BitMine plus the appointment of top analyst Dan Ives as chairman has created serious buzz in the investor community. At the same time, the project's technology updates are adding fuel to the rally. The introduction of quantum-safe AMPC support has boosted confidence in Worldcoin's infrastructure, showing that the network is not only growing but preparing for long-term resilience in a world where security and scalability are critical. This coincides with Worldcoin's already ambitious goal of creating a global proof-of-personhood system, with more than 16 million people verified through its orb scanners. In an era where artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping how we interact online, the need for digital identity verification is becoming more and more relevant, and WLD is positioning itself at the center of this conversation. From a market structure perspective, technical analysts note that Wood's breakout above the $1.20 resistance level has opened the door to higher targets. If momentum holds, the next price zone to watch is $1.50 to $1.65 in the short term. In the midterm, analysts have mixed targets, with conservative estimates ranging around $2.20 to $2.50, while more bullish forecasts point toward $5 or even higher, depending on adoption and broader market sentiment. Billionaire investor Tim Draper has even suggested WLD could climb toward $8 and beyond if momentum continues. Adding to the bullish case, Worldcoin recently extended its token unlock schedule from 3 years to 5 years, slowing down the release of team and investor tokens into the market. This alleviates selling pressure and makes the coin's supply dynamics more favorable for price growth in the near future. Plus, new cross-chain integrations with Optimism and Ethereum along with USDC support are strengthening its role as both an identity layer and financial ecosystem. Of course, with every opportunity comes risk. WLD faces regulatory hurdles and privacy concerns, especially in regions like Europe where biometric data collection is heavily scrutinized. Critics argue that while the technology is innovative, the model could raise ethical questions about data usage and centralization. These risks cannot be ignored, and they create volatility in investor confidence.